Dashcams used to be simple, forward-facing lenses that stuck to your windshield. Today, they are multi-channel, 360-degree digital black boxes that monitor your car's exterior and interior simultaneously. Moving up to a multi-channel system requires a serious commitment. You are looking at higher upfront costs, running complex hardwiring through your vehicle's trim, and managing massive data storage requirements. Once you decide to make that jump, the market throws a dozen competing priorities at you. You have to weigh higher resolution against built-in storage, or pre-roll buffering against infrared night vision. This creates a very specific dilemma. You have to decide whether to maximize your optical horsepower to capture every pixel, or prioritize architectural reliability so the camera actually saves the footage when a crash happens. We are going to evaluate 5 distinct engineering philosophies in the 2026 market. By looking at how these systems are built, we can match a specific camera architecture to your exact daily driving vulnerabilities. Dropping $300 or $400 on a flagship quad-channel setup is a poor use of capital if a cheaper, highly targeted system actually solves your unique liability problem. We start with the Teransol 4K. At around $100, it sets the baseline standard for what a budget triple-channel system should deliver straight out of the box. The defining optical feature here is its ultra-wide f1.6 aperture. That wider opening maximizes light intake for the front-facing 4K lens, pulling in clear details during night driving when cheaper sensors fail. It also ships with a highly comprehensive installation kit. Because Teransol includes a 128GB SD card and all the necessary wiring tools, you avoid the immediate hidden costs that usually accompany a budget camera purchase. The trade-off sits with the interior coverage. The cabin camera records in basic 1080p, which lacks the granular, high-fidelity detail required to resolve complex passenger disputes in poor lighting. This architecture provides excellent passive exterior protection for standard daily commuters, but if you drive for a living, it leaves you vulnerable to false passenger claims. The REDTIGER Vision Pano 20 addresses that exact vulnerability. This camera shifts the engineering focus away from the exterior environment and aims it directly at passenger documentation. It does this through a specific optical upgrade, matching the front camera's 2.5K resolution perfectly on the interior cabin lens. When you pair that 2.5K resolution with 4 infrared LED lights, you capture facial features, clothing details, and exact seat occupancy in complete darkness. REDTIGER also rethought the hardware interface, replacing all physical buttons with a 3.18-inch touchscreen to streamline operation and make footage review much faster. You surrender the fourth lens of a true 360-degree system to get this. For Uber and Lyft drivers, that is a highly strategic trade-off to secure high-fidelity passenger evidence. If you manage a commercial fleet, the AZDOME M660 offers a different set of priorities. It uses a unique 4-lens adjustable system that you can physically rotate to match your specific vehicle's blind spots. But the core differentiator is how it handles data. Instead of relying on removable physical SD cards, the AZDOME utilizes built-in 128GB eMMC storage. eMMC storage delivers write speeds 2 to 3 times faster than standard SD cards, practically eliminating the common card corruption that plagues cheaper dashcams. The constraint is when storage reaches capacity, you must offload data via Wi-Fi. You cannot simply eject the card. Moving to the BOTSLAB G980H, we see an architecture optimized for capturing context. It uses 4 channels to create an overlapping 560-degree combined field of view. Its approach to reliability focuses on time. The BOTSLAB maintains an 8-second pre-recording buffer, preserving specific details of a swerve or a lane intrusion that occurs seconds before an impact. It also offers physical modularity. You can detach the magnetic side cameras to reallocate the system's processing power directly to the front and rear lenses. Prioritizing eMMC architecture secures commercial fleets against hardware data loss, while pre-roll buffering protects safety-focused commuters against ambiguous fault claims in multi-vehicle accidents. Finally, we reach the Vantrue N5S. This is the definitive standard for pure optical horsepower across all recording angles simultaneously. The massive hardware investment here is the inclusion of premium Sony Starvis 2 sensors on all 4 independent lenses. This guarantees maximum clarity in extreme low-light situations, regardless of where an impact occurs. The rear camera specifically records at 1440p, which drastically improves your ability to gather legible evidence, like license plates, during high-speed rear-end collisions. The software integration matches the optical hardware, combining a 10-second buffered parking mode with a dual-system GPS for hyper-accurate route logging. To handle all that data, the N5S supports a massive 1 terabyte storage ceiling, giving long-haul drivers up to 40 hours of continuous quad-channel recording. This architecture guarantees irrefutable evidence in almost any condition. However, the $350 price tag and the complex hardwiring demands make it an unnecessary overinvestment for drivers who only need basic accident documentation. Finding the right camera requires rejecting the idea of a single best option and instead evaluating your personal daily vulnerabilities. This diagram breaks down those specific use cases. If you need maximum optical coverage for the lowest possible financial input, you should default to the Terransol. For rideshare drivers, the REDTIGER is your tool. The 2.5K interior capability is specifically designed to fight false passenger claims. If you are coordinating a fleet of vehicles, Fleet Manager should look to the AZDOME for the fail-safe long-term reliability of its eMMC storage. For parents and safety commuters, the BOTSLAB ensures you capture the critical pre-roll evidence required to prove exactly how a collision started. Finally, for buyers with high capital who demand zero-compromise quad-channel protection, the Vantrue N5S is the absolute ceiling. Matching technical architecture to your specific driving environment makes the difference between buying a consumer electronic and securing the definitive evidence you need for an insurance claim.